Thought you would like to see a little tour of the room. So I'm standing by the front door. You come in. You've got the bathroom. Full-size mirror on the door. Then you've got this little kitchenette area. I'm not going to bother with a kind of induction hob. I'm not going to bother opening up the drawers because there's nothing in there. Fridge underneath here, empty for me to put the bits in. Another cupboard space. Then you've got the kind of living room. Chairs, I've got my suitcase up there. TV, dresser with another mirror. Then this huge king size bed. Let me put and then just regular wardrobe space. But I wanted to show you the dressing gowns. Very colourful. I've got a fan as well as aircon, so I'm just running the fan. The sun is actually now moving to this side of the room. Let me open up the thing. Not much of a view. Just, I don't have a sea view room. Just, I'm on the side of the hotel. But I thought you'd like to see, there's the balcony. The footage on the GoPro is better because it actually captures whatnot, but I thought you would just like to see something quick because I'm not going to send the GoPro stuff to you. There's the room. Yeah.